Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow passenger joining you here on this exclusive video that we're going to put out on XRP. I'm actually cringing every time I say XRP because I have the slightest bit of interest in this currency. And take it easy on me there, Moon Boys, in the comment section. I don't want to say anything bad about XRP, but this video is strictly focused on the opportunity that I'm seeing presented right in front of me on this screen, guys. Stick around to the end if you're invested, or if you're thinking of investing, or if you're thinking of selling your XRP. You might want to stick around to the end and check out the entire video. Let's not waste time. Let's dive right into the charts here, guys, shall we? All right, so today's November the 9th, 2020. The current price of XRP is going to be 1,636 Satoshis and BTC. For those of you who don't know, pennies, Satoshis are like pennies and a dollar, and BTCs being the dollar. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, so let's just dive right into this, guys. The price is down about 0.18% for the day. XRP and BTC pairing. Okay, that's important, not USD, guys. All right, so let's just see what we can see on this, guys. I have never purchased any XRP. Okay, so let's just say that first and foremost. But right now, I mean, XRP is looking like a pretty interesting buy-in opportunity, as is on the screen here. Now, I'm very conservative with my price targets here, guys. So if I get this wrong, if XRP blasts off, let's just say, like, I don't know, 50% to the upside, that's fine. I'd much rather give you a practical level of XRP. And again, this isn't financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my portfolio, and I suggest you do what you feel you should do with your portfolio and what you're comfortable with doing. Okay, because if I'm going to lose money on this play, this is me and my adventure in me building or losing money in my portfolio. Okay, so you do your own research there. Disclaimer. All right, so I'm seeing that a potential target for XRP to revisit would be the previous level of support. Support, resistance, resistance, support. All right, so that's going to be to the upside approximately. So you're talking about a 16% gainer in your portfolio there. And that price level on this green line here is going to be at about 1,900 Satoshis, about 1,907 Satoshis. And that's basically what I'm seeing here at a very minimum move to the upside. That's what I'm seeing here. So literally after we close out this video, we're going to go ahead and stop in and make our purchasing decisions in the alternative market here. What else? Let's look at the 3-day here. Maybe we have some more compelling evidence in the chart. Yeah, that's actually a reversal candle. Let's see how much volume we have on that candle there. When I say it's a reversal candle, I'm talking about this one here. For those of you who aren't familiar with reversal candles, going to be that candle right here on November the 5th, 2020. We still got about 24 hours, just over 24 hours to close on this candle. We got, a day and 10 hours basically. So I wouldn't, for those of you who are considering into the market, don't be like me, guys. Don't be an idiot like me and just jump right into the market. This thing could actually spill out another, I don't know, 7, 10%, 20%, or even more. Okay, this is what I'm seeing, and this is what I'm going to do with my portfolio that I've already iterated. I'm reiterating again for those of you who might be in the comment section there saying stuff. So on the weekly here, still looks interesting. Our infamous purple line is just overhead. Let's see here, just kind of trying to find some sort of support, or some area of equilibrium, I guess. Our purple line there, that purple line is currently at about 1948 Satoshis. Okay, so let's see, we got 6 more days to close on this. Yeah, actually that's I don't know, that's a lot of days before we get a close. So here's what may happen over the next 6 days in XRP. We may actually, at the very minimum, again, I'm very conservative, guys. We should probably get at least a retest of 1804 Satoshis. And hopefully we get very, very minimal volume in here, because if that happens, man, this thing is really going to move, guys. Like, I don't see why XRP would have a problem re-entering these two green lines up here and potentially even reaching as high as, let's just put a horizontal line here, somewhere near this level right here at about 2,300 Satoshis. Okay. So that is a possibility, but I don't want to, get too ahead of myself here. I need to see this weekly candle close in order to determine the next market's direction. And that's what it's all about, guys. It's about being patient, having a keen understanding of the market movements, and making your market decision based on the analysts that you have provided for yourself, and not listening to some noob on YouTube like me and making your market entry decisions. Okay, so I just need to see this November the 9th candle close here on this weekly. So let's just call it November the 16th. I should have a better understanding as to how I would approach this play in the market here in XRP and BTC pairing. Okay. All right, let's crank it on up to the monthly. Maybe we'll see something else. See how far the moving average is away from it. Okay, so that's fair. The volume is a little underwhelming here. Yeah, so I'm going to say that, guys, at the very minimum is where I'll actually probably take at least some profits, if not all of my profits out of the markets. 1907, Satoshi value. I'm going to say that 1907. But if the monthly can actually break back above this 1907 level and close, that would actually be a very interesting bullish setup, believe it or not. So let's just back out and see if we see anything else. Yeah, one thing, honestly, guys, one thing that does make me concerned, although I am looking to play this to the upside from a small percentage or relatively reasonable percentage to the upside, which is about 16%. This large wick below this candle makes me want to pay more attention to the behavior in this currency here. And the reason that I say that is because I'm going to come out with actually a small course on how to understand candlesticks, because I feel like I have a very interesting way of understanding this stuff. And the lower wicks below green candles are not good signs, in my book at least, okay? What typically happens is you'll get a revisit or breach of that level. In this case, this wick is actually pretty low, guys. I mean, this is actually alternative markets. I've actually geared my understanding on lower wicks below the green buying interest candles in the traditional markets. So this could be different for the alternative markets here. But let's stay on track here. The lower wick, it reaches a level of, unfortunately for the buying interest in the market here, the lower is actually at 2 Satoshis, guys. So let's just do a measurement, and please don't leave negative comments in this section. I'm not saying it's going to 2 sats, guys. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I'm just letting you know what I'm seeing here on this Binance chart here on TradingView. It reaches that level, and from the current level, that's a decline of about 99.04%. All right, so let's just see what else we got here. So that's how the monthly looks. We've already pulled up the daily, the 3 days. So that's what I'm seeing here, guys. Very short-term play. If you are familiar with the channel, you'll know that I don't try to ride these things to the moon, guys. That's not my style. I get in, I get out, I move forward and see what's the next move in the markets. I play the same instruments over and over, yes, but I'm very practical about my entries and exits in the markets. And you should be as well if you want to continue to increase your monthly portfolio value in your portfolio there. That's what I'm seeing, guys. Let's give this thing another 24 hours, potentially even up to 6 days, just over 6 days on the weekly, so that we can understand, have a much more better understanding of the market's direction here. But I'm going to look to see at least a 16% increase from the current level at about 1633 sats. That's all I got for you guys. Short video. Hopefully this wasn't too long and you found some valuable information in this video. Be sure to leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's Napoleon Macro. I'm going to sign off. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm going to talk to you very soon in a potentially a update on XRP within a week. So look forward to that. Turn on your post notifications and leave down in the comment section. What do you think is going to happen on the XRP currency here? Are we going to go up? Are we going to continue to go down? Sideways? What do you think is going to happen, guys? You go ahead and get a discussion going in the comment section and let me know what you think. Okay. And hope you never know. I'll shout you guys out if you're actually right about it, because I'm not always going to be right or wrong about this, actually. So that's it, guys. I'm signing off. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now.